Everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing these lashes. They are by the brand Pro Lash Beauty. I've actually reviewed this brand on my channel a few times. This is the 280 piece set and it goes from 9. It has 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, and 9. And let's go ahead and get right in this and start applying these. I will be using their lash glue in this video as well. So let me go ahead and zoom you in. I'm going to apply one eye on camera and the other eye off camera. This is a D-Mix curl, if you guys are wondering, and I will be linking everything down in the description box below if you guys are interested in checking this out. So I'm going to be starting off with the step 1, which is the bond. Step 2 is the sealer. You use that after you're done. So make sure this is step 1, and I'm just going to be applying it right at the base of my lashes. Just like that. And I'm going to start off with the 16, which is the longest one. So you just grab them by the top and pull down. I'm actually going to grab a couple of these. So you just click down and then apply just like that. So they're super easy to apply. I'll do a couple more 16s. So you also want to make sure you're not applying them too close to the lash line because you don't want them to irritate your eyes. But if you do get too close to the lash line, they will irritate your eyes. So just go slightly above that. About like that. So I'm going to do one more. So as you can see, that's the 16, and then I'm going to move down to 15s. I'm going to put a few of those on. So there's not much of a difference between the 15s and the 16s. That is crazy. And then I'm going to do a 13, or yeah, I'm going to do probably a 14. And then I'm going to do one more 14. So 2 14s. I'm actually not sure how many. I apply different amounts just depending on how I apply them each time. But the lash bands are a little thinner, so you do have to apply a little bit more. So that is what that looks like. I know they look really bold, but I really do like bold. So, and you don't have to do them like all this long. You could do like a couple 16, 15, and then slowly work your way down. This is very bold. And if you want, you can stack them to make them even look fuller. And this is what they look like from under, like on top. Put that sealer on. And then that's from the side. So super pretty, very full. Looks like I got lash extensions. So let me go ahead and apply this eye off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so that is what it looks like completed. So this is sideways. This is up facing forward. They're really pretty. This is really bold. Now, you do not have to go this bold. If you want to, you can start off in the inner part, go with the size 9, and then work your way up from 11, 12, and probably 13. If you want that to be your longest, it's going to be not as dramatic as this, because this is really dramatic. Like, this is really, really fluffy, but I do really like it. I like a more bold look. But I will show you guys another look with these another day. Today I'm just going to keep these ones on. I have a lot of reviews that I got to get caught up on, but they are pretty, really good quality. I really have no complaints. They look really pretty, full, and as long as you apply them right, they're not going to like irritate your eyes. But if you're not applying them right, sometimes they will poke your eyes, like in the corners and stuff. You just make sure you don't apply them directly onto the lash line. You go a little, like slightly above that, and then you won't have any problems. These are not heavy, even as full as I have them. I did do 16s and 15s and then 2 14s right here. Sometimes I just do 14s for my longest one, and then I'll work my way in, and that's more of a subtle look. If you're wanting like a more cat eye, this is more like just really full. It's like kind of all, there wasn't much difference between the 16 and the 15, as you can see, or even the 14 was slightly smaller. Okay, so I wanted to throw this in here. This is the next day, and I took all but these outer 2 off. These are 16s. And then I went in with 2 14s. Then I did 2 12s, 11, and then a 9. And I like the way this looks a lot more. It's just more kind of like cat eye look, as you can see, rather than just like all super long. But yeah, I absolutely love it. I didn't record it because I didn't want this video to be super long, but as you can see, you can create a lot of different looks with these. You don't have to go as long on the outside if you don't want to. You can just work your way however you want to, but I do love the way these lashes look. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.